thread the wire through that little terminal hole. And so now after we did all that, our first problem is fixed. Our button is now normally open, so when the button's deactivated, the light's going to be off instead of the other way around like it was before. Now let's go fix the second problem. So instead of hooking up the transformer right to the power source, I just hooked it up to the output of the button. So now, instead of the button always being illuminated, it's just going to be only illuminated when it's activated, which is what we want. Another issue is we have 120 volts passing right through this button, which I'm already not feeling too confident about. But the pins are really close to each other, so I'm just putting some electrical tape around so they don't touch each other, which would be catastrophic. Now I'm just tidying up the wires, putting some electrical tape around everything so nothing happens. And I'm also putting an actual light bulb on it, so I'm checking the current draw, which is not even 1/10 of an amp, so I think these wires should be more than capable of handling all this. And I also put on that little homemade sticker for the Airbus button, which looks absolutely horrible right now. And I know my shoddy electrical work is definitely going to get flamed